O, si Tito Boy.
The boys judge Ashley, James, Faye, Shaira, and Glenn. And the contestant is and the host and the host audience and
tayo, sino host natin?
audience audience Ay, naku.
Oh my God.
Ay, grabe, mag-1 minute na.
naman kayo ganyan. Dapat ganyan kayo.
Hindi ko talaga selling.
Nakaharap kayo lang. Sabi ko tumalikod.
Nakatalikod kami.
Audience kami. Siyempre, dapat dito. Ay.
Nakatalikod lang yung judge.
Ano ang kanta?
The boys nga.
Video ka na lang.
Hidden ka.
Hidden ka man lang.
Uy, bad trip ka dahil. Ayoko.
Hidden camera.
Hidden. Ano ba yan?
Ay, grabe. Jadi,
Ako hindi pwede, pero kung dalawa ko.
O, yun na lang. Ay, just give me a soap.
Kunya, erase. Girlfriend ka naman ni Babo. Sorry na lang kung umiyak ka. Pagkababo.
That's golden boy.
Pag kayo tumingi.
hindi na.
Hindi na.
Yung video na lang.
Tulog muna.
I've got my ticket for the long way round. 2 bottle whiskey for the way. And I sure would like some sweet company. Not even tomorrow what to say. But I'm gone. And I'm gone. You're gonna miss me when I'm gone. You're gonna miss me by my hair. You're gonna miss me everywhere. You're gonna miss me when I'm gone. When I'm gone, when I'm gone, you're gonna miss me when I'm gone. You're gonna miss me by my walk. You're gonna miss me by my talk. You're gonna miss me when I'm gone.
Mag-ima sa gilid mo.
Daryl, ang saya. Ay! Ay! Naka-zoom. Zoom natin.
Match yung mali.
Zoom.
Extreme close.